Hey, 同学们好，Beeson 老师gonna tell you how to use Notebook LM as instructional language. I'm gonna speak in English. It's easier for you to understand and save more time. Once you come to Notebook LM or open one in the Google Classroom, this one is for lesson 11 all. Talking about the health, 健康 and 看医生, see the doctor. I have uploaded all three texts in here. So you are going to interact with Google chatbot, talking about all the things that we have learned in lesson 11. And then this is the main opening page. You can talk about anything you want to talk about here, typing any instructions. And then you can click enter and then interact with it. And on the right side, you should see that Beeson 老师 has already created a few studio features, including a video. It's really cool. Click on this play and watch it. Once you click on it, there will be time playback speed. You can click on it. I recommend go to 0.75 so you can understand all the Chinese. 0.5, the sound is a little bit distorted. I really don't like it. And you can use the 10 seconds backward, forward to listen to it again. It's a quite cool video that Notebook Ally made. And that's the video. This is a sound. Made it sort of like a podcast, but be careful. The narrator has a northern accent, most likely the Beijing accent, not all Chinese talk that way. So there are a couple of multi-sound words was incorrect, but majority are still good. You see whether you can figure out which one was incorrect. You can private message me and then I'll give you a prize. All right, and then you will have this resource giving you a study guide, a report about what this unit is all about. Briefly read it and see whether that match your understanding. And also there is, that was the report. 对不起. Oh, this is a blog post and that's the report. All right. And then you can also have case study. You can see the illness and then see whether you can come up with the answer, how to treat it, what advice you would give. Also, there is a quiz. So you can actually choose which one you want to quiz. Right now, they're all checked. You can choose just 11.1. If this is your weakest one out of the three, and then you can have this create a new quiz to quiz you. Or you can create, if you think that L11.3 假期健康生活方式 you're weak with that, you come here to do a flashcards. So you can create a resource to help you out and decide which one you want to use it. But currently what I have checked with all three that generated information. I really like this one, the mind map. So I want to show you. These are based on the three lessons we learned in this unit. And then once you click on it, you can extend it to see more what this is all about and it really help with mental organization. I love this chart. So go ahead and then check it out. You can even download it if you want it. All right. So that is a mind map. So all these resources are right here with you. And again, you can regenerate by choosing which one you want, or you can choose all three. You can even go to discover and find related the authentic material and check them out, see whether you like them. You can add them here. But anyway, Notebook LM is really good resource for you to pull all the resources together and learn a certain topic. So I would like you to use this and then use this interaction part, practice typing, responding in real time. Let me know if you have any questions.